Well, this is fun. This is an electric balloon pump, or what my girls call a blower upper. Let's open it up. Let's put it to the test. There is one feature that I am so excited about. There are a lot of other features, but I'll tell you about the one once I get there. All right, let's see what comes in the package first of all. So it kind of looks like a space cat or something. Like, my girls are loving it. This is so fun. All right, so it's plug in. That's good. And there's a handle. That's kind of cool. All right, very lightweight, by the way. I mean, it's substantial. It's substantial, but it's light. So I'm kind of curious how these silicone things work. You know, that needs to stick. Let's just try that for a second. Oh yeah, so when you're working with this thing, it's going to stay still. That's cool. Oh, and I can already tell when you push down, that's going to engage the air. You can hear the click. Ooh, that's smart. I thought it was just going to be blowing air the whole time. Nope, that's cool. Okay, all right, what else comes in the package? There is an instruction manual. Can't be that many instructions. Probably like plug it in and start blowing up balloons. There it tells you how the knotting tool works. Spoiler alert, the knotting tool is the feature that I'm most excited about. All right, this adapter just screws into here, and we'll use that in a little bit to do this foil balloon, but let's hold off on that. And that is the knotting thing right there. The other day we did like 100 balloons at our school. Oh my goodness, my fingers were sore. Looks like we have another one here too, so I guess those are identical. So that's just so you can do foil balloons if you need to, but you got two of them. This is gonna be so cool. All right, let me plug it in and let's give it a shot. You can get it all different colors. This one's pink. All right, I am plugged in. Let me see here. Yep. You push down, that starts it. Push down, that starts it, and woo, you can do two at the same time. That is so smart, and that's a good suction. That's nice. All right, let's just test it out. Look at that. Let me go back here to 0.5. Wow, there we go. All right, check that out. Look how fast that was. I'm gonna let it go. So at church or at school, when we do balloons, we have to do hundreds of them sometimes, and even at the house with the kids and stuff. So to be able to do it this fast, I mean, that is, I needed this earlier in my life. This is so good. All right, now, I do want to figure out how this tying thing works. So looks like this right here is just gonna slip right through there. And then I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's just like you just lay it over. How does this work? I'm gonna have to figure this out. So you lay it over. And oh, okay, then you push it through the hole, and then you just do it like that. Sorry. There we go. Okay, that was my first one. I'll do even better here in a second. All right, so next one, let's go a little smaller one. Let's go with this one here, this blue one. Woo! I almost blew that one up. That's awesome. I'm gonna let a little bit out. All right, let me try this again. Let me get this thing out of the way a little bit. There we go. All right, so you know what? I don't even know if I want a handle. I might take the handle off, but for now, let's leave it there because it is a feature. I want you all to see that. All right, so I'm gonna lay it across. Go this way because I'm right-handed. Across, and then I guess it's like that. I love that. That's so cool. All right, that's number 2. Let's do another big one. And how many more do I got? Let's see. Let's go here. Now, let's just for fun, I'm gonna pull this way out just for fun because I'm like that. Let's do this all the way till it explodes. It's just gonna be fun. All right, here we go. Woo! That thing was huge. I love it. I love it. Okay. All right. Now let's try this one here. So this is the foil that repositioned where you can see the beauty. All right. The foil here. You can see how big this foil balloon is. I guess you could just use that, but I think these are meant for the foil. I'm kind of new to this. I haven't done a lot of foil, so I'm going to screw this on. And I guess that just gets you a little, yeah, that's okay. So now, and looky there, I got a heart. And I can see you. Hi, I like this thing. Okay, all right, so what can I tell you? It works exactly like it's supposed to work. You can do 2 at a time. It's pretty durable, but really small. Like I was expecting this to be bigger. I like the suction. It's like significant. I like the extra parts. I really like this tying thing. Man, this is cool. All right, what else can I tell you? Other than this was sent to me for my review. We do a lot of birthday parties, a lot of stuff at church, a lot of stuff at school, and this is going to save me so much time. In fact, I'll probably let everybody borrow it because everybody's going to want to borrow it. So anyway, there you go again. This is super, super great. I would highly recommend it. And this right there, that after doing like 100 and something balloons a month ago, that is my new favorite feature. Didn't know those things existed. All right, hope that helps. That's fun. Well done. Whatever company made this, well done. I like it a lot. All right, take care.